you check this with AI plagiarism detection software or plagiarism detection software, naturally it will show some plagiarism. It can be reduced by further paraphrasing, but it will show 100% AI. What it? If you generate something from an AI tool, it will show AI. I will show the demonstration. See, normally, for example, give me 5 paragraphs or 500 words content on global warming. Listen carefully. This is regarding plagiarism checking and AI checking. So naturally we use AI tool. We will use AI tool for generating something. The content is there. We have to communicate this. When we are communicating this, definitely the editor will check it against plagiarism and AI. So I am copying this entire thing. Wait for the total 500 words. Because this AI detection software only have the capacity to identify AI if the content provided is greater than 300 words and below 30,000 words. So remember that. If your content is only having 250 words, the software will not detect AI. Got the point? It should be more than 300 words. If it is more than 30,000 words, it will not detect AI. If you are uploading your thesis having 35,000 words, it will not detect AI. Okay. So that's the technical problems with this software. I am copying this because this is having 500 words. I am copying that to a Word file. Test AI KAU. I am saving it to the downloads folder. It's 702 words. You can see in the bottom 702 words is there. So I will take a plagiarism and AI detection software, Turnitin. Is the common software used by different universities across the world. This is the back end of the software. And I am uploading that paper to Turnitin. Click the submit button. Select the enrolled students. For the time being, Suja mode, submission title, KAU, global. Fine. And this filter, I think you are aware about this. The file you are submitting will not be added to any repository. What does it mean? If you are not enabling this filter, the whole thing will go to the archive of Turnitin, and if you check the revised manuscript, it will show 100% plagiarism. So before checking trials, you have to enable this filter in the settings. Add it to no repository. The filter is add it to no repository, not at all. Add it to no repository. Here, you are about to check something, please ask the person that did you enable the add it to no repository option. Okay. Then choose from this computer. Then I am uploading that Word file having 702 words to Turnitin. And I am uploading it. You can see the software. So click the confirm button. Go to assignment inbox. It will take some time to generate the output. Just refresh it. See, 49% similarity. And there is a difference between similarity and plagiarism. Okay, I will tell you what is similarity and what is plagiarism. And how much it is AI? 100%. AI generated 100%. We did it with ChatGPT. So AI is 100, similarity is 49%. And what this similarity means? Read the first sentence. Global warming is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. The flagged portions are similar content. Then see the title of the second para. Warming is flagged as similar content. It's not plagiarism, it's just similarity. The software does is, it will go to World Wide Web, other databases, etc. and check for similarity in the submitted content. So you have to identify what is similarity and what is plagiarism. You have to specifically differentiate between these. This warming is not plagiarism, but it's just similarity. Okay, then the effects of global warming. Of global warming is highlighted. It's flagged. So this is only similarity, not plagiarism. And what constitutes plagiarism? If you are taking something from some places and if you are not giving credit to that, you are plagiarism. Okay. So the style manual rule says is that even if it is a single sentence, you have to restate in your own words and you have to give the citation. Then only you will be evaded from being stamped as a plagiarist. Got the point? Should I explain it more microscopically? I have the examples with me. I will show you. See this article. This appeared in Applied Physics Letters in 2010. Can you see that? This is written by Surajit Ghosh, his co-authors, etc. I am just read the sentence which I underlined. For large scale fabrication of graphene based devices, exfoliation of graphite required, then thin films prepared from solution processed with GEO, etc. etc. Okay, this appeared in an article published in 2010. And see this. This is another article appeared in Advanced Material, written by Basant Chitara, and the end author is CNR Rao. You know who is CNR Rao? The world famous nanotechnologist from India. See the underlined sentences. Which sentence? Which appeared earlier in 2010 article. The two sentences are underlined, and this Basant Chitara, and these are all PhD students of CNR Rao. The three persons. They copied two sentences from another article published in 2010 and they added to their article which published in 2011. And if you check CNR Rao in World Wide Web, the first thing appearing would be CNR Rao plagiarism. And in Nature, you can see that Indian Science Advisor caught up for plagiarism. What was the allegation? Two sentences copied as such from another article and included in the introduction part of their article. This is how the academic community deals with plagiarism. If you do a follow-up of this controversy, what happened was CNR Rao wrote to the editor of that journal and he apologized that my student showed some oversight, not appreciated. So please remove this article from the journal database. What? Remove the article from the journal database. CNR Rao told the editor. And the editor replied that I have gone through your article. I found that this is in the introduction part. This has nothing to do with the methodology and the conclusion of your study. So you may please send me an apology. And the apology was published in the next issue of that journal. If I or you were in the part of CNR Rao, editor simply remove our article from the database. This is known as retraction. So the style manual rule says that even if it is a single sentence, you have to restate in your own words and you have to give the citation. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് മുതൽ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതാൻ തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ put CNR Rao വലത്തെ സ്ഥലത്ത് എടുത്ത് വയ്ക്കുക എന്നിട്ട് start writing. Now AI tools, coming back to AI tools just write for you. Okay, so you have to cross check whether that is plagiarized or not. Then the AI content. And how can make this your own, even if it is a single sentence? It's a simple trick. I will show you. So take the master paragraph. Where it is? deforestation something. Just okay. These two paragraphs on global warming. This is the master paragraph. We have paraphrased it by using a tool, and after paraphrasing, another thing is there, humanizing softwares, I will tell you. See, take the first sentence, okay, then just rewrite in your own words manually. What the point? So how can we rewrite this? So I will tell you one example. I will say a statement. You have to write in your own words, okay. The normal sentence I used to give in sessions is about demonetization. Take a notepad and pen, please. I will say something. You have to write in your own words. Mr. Bonille, Kannadi miss, you are not going. What the bottle? Okay, I will say something.